family, it's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your Prince. Back here again with another banger, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're back again with Prince. We're finna be checking, we're finna be taking over YouTube. As usual, you guys know what I'm saying? I haven't posted for a while, you know what I'm saying? But your Prince is back, you know what I'm saying? It's your nigga, man. Your Prince, it's your boy, you know what I'm saying? Chill. AKA the real freaking ever Prince, AKA MK, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Since it's the weekend, you know what I'm saying, we're all bored, and you know what I'm saying, I just wanted to give you guys some content. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy, you know what I'm saying, because we're on the road to 100 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Today we're gonna be checking out Big Xhosa, you know what I'm saying? This nigga's been gathering a lot of smoke these days. He's been dissing rappers and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. We're gonna be checking him out, you know what I'm saying? We'll see, is it hip hop or it's just, you know what I'm saying? Cause we all know, if you're a real G to this channel, you know what I'm saying, if you subscribe, if you're my newest subscriber, you know we're all about bars here. We love music. I'm not gonna lie, I love music. In this channel we love music, but we're all about bars, you know what I'm saying? If you don't got bars, you don't belong here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Let's get into it. Let's go. Okay. Now I see. This is no hip hop, you know what I'm saying? As a hip hop lover, you know what I'm saying? Well, what the fuck is this, you know what I'm saying? I feel like this is just jokes, because, you know what I'm saying, my nigga, you're not serious. This ain't hip hop, you know what I'm saying? But I fuck with his, you know what I'm saying, with his joke. With his joking, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with his joking. He's got a classic car, you know what I'm saying? Would you look at that car? It's a classic, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give him that. And my nigga just said, Zoto abantu ngicela what impundu? Impundu. What is impundu? I don't know. As it asked, it wants. Never mind, let's go.
I told him that, still no reply. As a hip hop, I gave it life. Jesus Christ, Italian is not my time. Boom. So I don't want to tell you okay, now back to the topic. It's a name top. I am Big Xhosa. I am not a rapper. Give me best rapper. To all the rappers that never made it to the great wall, I Sam Gooby,
This nigga is not rapping, my friend. This is not rapping. He's just, you know what I'm saying, he's just joking, you know what I'm saying. He's just firing shots here and there, you know what I'm saying. Zoto abantu, SA rappers. He said he gave South African hip hop life. He's waking them niggas up. He's Jesus Christ. My nigga, I ain't gonna dwell on much, and I'm not gonna dwell too much on that, but you know what I'm saying, this is just jokes, you know what I'm saying. To me, this is jokes. This is not hip hop. As I said before, I love hip hop. I'm a real fan of music. I love real music, you know what I'm saying. But this is just, you know what I'm saying, this is no hip hop. This is no hip hop. Let's go.
I don't care at all.
Facts. Yeah, when man, he's starting to talk facts, you know what I'm saying? I heard that, you know what I'm saying? He said his parents told him to focus, but it's ass everywhere, bro. It's ass everywhere. How can we focus as niggas? How do we focus with, you know what I'm saying? You look to the right, it's ass. You look, man, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got that one. Yeah, I fuck with that one. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give him a little bit of credit on that one. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go. Yeah, ass everywhere, ass for days, man. This chick's got ass for days. Let's go. Can't believe I'm jamming to this song. You know what I'm saying?
Still no reply. Still no reply. Still no reply.
Yeah, we've come to the end of the video, you know what I'm saying? I can't believe I actually jammed to this song, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but hey, it was a vibe. I mean, the beat was a vibe, you know what I'm saying? The beat was fire. Yeah. It's just that the nigga was talking, you know what I'm saying? I was just making jokes and all that. But hey, the nigga's talented, you know what I'm saying? We gotta appreciate talent. I am not saying he's talented in rapping. I'm saying, he is talented in making funny music, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. If you really much enjoyed this reaction as much as I did, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your prints, you know what I'm saying? I'm out of this bitch. Catch you in the next video. Peace.